Hey everyone, it's Renee from Sweet Pea Labs here with a Compass Rose product preview. I want to give you a quick look at what's inside this product and how you're going to assemble it, what it looks like. You can take a look here at the version of the Compass Rose that will be the final product using a sturdy plate here and the copies of the PDFs that I give you in the product. On the front of the plate will be the actual Compass Rose that your students will assemble. You have the option of doing intermediate directions or just cardinal directions, totally up to you. And I have some language options for the back of the plate so that if you're traveling to, let's say, Italy, you can use the Italian directions words on the back. So this is basically here what your product is going to look like when it's finished. And I will go ahead and show you what the rest of the product looks like that you'll get. In here is the file that you'll receive from me when you purchase the product. You will first get a PDF with these pieces. Students can cut these pieces out, and these are what will be colored and assembled on a nice sturdy plate. This here includes just the cardinal directions, and then I have the intermediate directions. I've made sure to make the words so that they are facing the correct direction. If we look back at the preview here, let me make this bigger. Southwest, west, northwest. I had to rearrange those words to make sure that everything's readable when you're looking at the plate. Words aren't upside down and things like that. So I made sure that happened for you there. Back into the intermediate directions that are included. Again, if you're not up to the intermediate directions, you don't have to use that page yet. Completely optional. And then I've got different languages. We've got this little circle that will fit nicely on the back of a plate. And then it will have those specific words that mean north, east, west, and south. So just the cardinal directions with the multiple languages part. I've included French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish. I've also included these Compass Rose sort of example cards for the students so that they know what it's supposed to look like when they assemble, so that they know north is up here, east, south, west. Never eat soggy waffles. This goes along really well with my Compass Rose interactive digital notebook as well. So you could pair those two products together and you'll have a really nice lesson with directions. Again, we've got the intermediate directions example cards too, if your students are ready for that. So we've included the northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast, and you can give each student or table or group a directions card so that they can view it when they're creating their Compass Rose on their plate. I've also included just some basic instructions for you as a teacher. And just some things to keep an eye on or things to think about. So enjoy your Compass Rose and have fun creating that with students. Travel around the world and use your Compass Rose as you go. It's really fun. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel that I've created here. I'll have all of my product previews in there, including tutorials on things like using Google Apps to create products for Teachers Pay Teachers. Alrighty, take care.